This is the restaurant version, and this is the version we're going to make ourselves at home. Let's get into it. What's up, people? It's the Curious Mutt. I'll open your screen. I don't know why I'm this excited. It's too early in the morning. If you're new to this channel, hey. On this channel, I show you how to recreate popular food trends and your restaurant food favorites right in your kitchen. So if you're into that kind of stuff, please subscribe to this channel. Leave me a thumbs up because I need the encouragement. Thank you. Today, I'll be showing you how to make Japanese yakisoba. I love the name of this dish. It sounds so scary and intimidating. It's like something you're gonna use to scare someone in their sleep. Yakisoba! I'm not okay. Anyway, guys, this is just a signature Japanese stir-fry noodle dish. It's crispy, it's so flavorful because it's made with this amazing sauce. Most importantly, this thing, I'm not gonna say the name. Yakisoba! Stop playing. Anyway, guys, Japanese yakisoba. It's so easy, so quick to make, so let's just get started. We're gonna begin by making this bomb yakisoba sauce. All you're gonna need is some Worsheshire sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, ketchup, and sugar. It's that easy, guys. For our veggies, I just picked out 3 vegetables that I usually see being used in this dish, and that's some spring onions, carrots, and cabbage. Just gonna roughly chop the spring onions. I do the same for the carrots. Chop it in 3 parts, slice it as thin as you can, and julienne them so they look like matchsticks. And I cut it this way because it just helps the veggies get crispy quickly. With the cabbage, I'm just gonna slice it thinly as well. I had some leftover mushrooms which I sliced and added for more flavor, but if you're not into mushrooms, you can just leave that out. For the protein, typically some form of thinly sliced pork is used for this dish. I use smoked back bacon. Lastly, the star of the dish, the noodles. This dish mostly uses soba noodles or buckwheat noodles. I got egg noodles instead because I prefer the taste, and it also gives me a crispier texture than when I use the other noodles. I also grated some garlic, which I'll saute first with the bacon. This is pretty much everything you need to make this dish. You can take a quick screenshot, and I'm also going to leave all the details, all the ingredients I used in the description box below, so check it out. Alright, cooking this will literally take you less than 10 minutes. I'm going to be cooking on medium to high heat. First, my bacon and garlic goes in with a bit of oil. I'm gonna saute that till it gets a bit crispy, and after that I'm gonna add my vegetables, spring onions, carrots, and cabbage. Then my mushroom goes in, and I'm gonna saute everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes till it gets crispy. I'm gonna add a bit more oil to the pan, then add my noodles and mix everything all together for another 2 to 3 minutes. I'm then gonna add this amazing sauce we made in the beginning, mix everything together. Once it's combined, I'm gonna leave it and let the bottom bits crisp up for another 2 minutes, then flip it, and oh my god, look at that char. Guys, I live for those burnt bits. I know you guys want to spend more time with me, but we are done cooking. This is it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. At a restaurant, this typically costs between like $10 to $15, but you just made it by yourself at home, and you can make as much as you would like to feed your entire family, or make it for meal prep to last you the entire week. Remember, you're the boss of your kitchen, so you can advance or modify this dish however you like. I usually add some pickled ginger to mine because I think they pair very, very well with the noodles. This tasted so amazing. Please, you guys need to give this a try. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like this recipe, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.